Welcome to 1683 Edgerton Street in Maplewood, Minnesota. This beautiful two-story home was built in 2004 and it features over 2,500 finished square feet with 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Extensive landscaping around the perimeter of the home, lots of mature trees, asphalt driveway, 2-car attached garage that is heated and insulated, which is a great bonus. One of the beautiful things about a house like this is you get a newer construction home with all the amenities, but you're in an older established neighborhood with mature trees and privacy. Cute front porch for a cup of coffee or reading the paper. The roof is less than 3 years old. All the windows are vinyl because they were put in 2004, so they're in excellent condition. So your mechanicals, your exterior, everything is in excellent condition so you can buy with confidence, not worrying that once you move in, you've got to replace a bunch of stuff that's going to cost a ton of money. The backyard is entirely fenced with this 6-foot privacy fence. It's premier vinyl. You're about 5 minutes from 35 East, so it's a quick commute to downtown St. Paul. You're within 6 blocks of a bus line, so you have public transportation. With the fenced backyard, it's ready for a pet, or if you just want the privacy, it's a wonderful thing to have. Another cost you don't have to spend money on to do. As you can see, it has a huge deck, which has got more than enough room for the ability to cook out, and you can put tables, chairs, plenty of space for all of that. And it's a wonderful place to just have friends over or hang out in the evening and just overlook this private backyard. That deck is in excellent condition as well. There's no maintenance that is required that at this point. The lower level is a full walkout. Again, that is a service door that leads into the garage, so you have access to the backyard. There are 2 sheds that come with the property, so you have extra storage for all of the other stuff like gardening tools and hoses and maybe a lawn mower, whatever you don't want to store in the garage. So those stay with the house. Beautiful mature trees. So in the summertime, this is fantastic because you get the breeze, you get the shade. It's just a wonderful place to hang out, in the great part of the year in Minnesota. So one of the things I like best is it's a walkout. So there is a hot tub on a patio there at the bottom. That stays with the home. You have lots of natural light. It's a newer construction, taking you in the front door here. The first thing is obviously the foyer and the living room. Notice how bright and open the floor plan is. So not only is it very open from room to room, but you also get beautiful natural light throughout the day. So this is not a home that feels dark. It's always going to feel cheery, bright, and sunny. So if you're looking for that type of thing, that's really important to a lot of buyers. Off to the right, there is a gas fireplace. It's the one fireplace in the home. And then off to the left, that's the stairs to take you upstairs to the second floor. I'm going to take you here into this huge open eat-in kitchen with an informal dining room. Notice it has a center island, premier flooring. All of the appliances stay with the home, including the washer and dryer. Here's another view from the kitchen. So it's just a really nice, warm, well laid out home. Please note all of the cabinets and countertop space. If you like to cook, man, you've got plenty of space to do that, or to have parties. You have kitchen window for more natural light, lots of storage. With the center island, it has power, and notice the deep drawers. So there's plenty of space to, store the larger pots and pans. So you've got lots of room for storage and for cooking. You've got the informal dining. Off to the right here, this is the slider that leads out to the deck and the backyard. There is a set of stairs, if you missed it, that goes from the deck into the backyard. You've got a closet there to the right. Dead center, we're looking at a half bath. So you have a guest bath on the main level, so your guests don't have to go up or downstairs to use the bathroom, which is a really nice feature. A lot of homes don't have that. You have another closet here. Now remember, you have the closet out front for coats. You could use this as coats, or you could use it as a pantry. So you have some flexibility depending on what your needs are. Then off to the left is the stairs down to the basement, and then this is the garage. So it's a 2-car attached garage, which you have entrance into the home, plus it's heated and insulated and storage up above. So all the features you could want. Going upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You have this loft area and second floor laundry, which is something that everybody seems to love because it's just so much more convenient when you're not hauling your clothes up and down flights of stairs. Again, all of the appliances, including the washer and dryer, stay with the house. Mechanicals are in excellent condition. This is the master suite, complete with a large walk-in closet that I will show you. And, the color of the wall is maroon. And so it has a tendency to be dark, but look at how light it is because of the large windows. There's even a window in the closet just to make things easier for you to see all the clothing. Plenty of storage. You could even add some more shelving if you wanted to. I'm going to take you into the master bath. And this is really interesting because you have a pocket door right here to close off the master bathroom from the master bedroom. And then there is a sink and a toilet here. Then you have the shower and the tub right here in this room with another pocket door. And then past that is another sink and toilet. So you have a second half bathroom that's attached like a Jack and Jill to the master suite, and it can be closed off in several ways. This is a linen closet on the second floor, so you have plenty of space for towels and sheets and other things that you need to store. The second and third bedrooms are all really good size, and they have good size closets. Any of them would be great for a guest room if you don't need it for a bedroom, or for a home office, activity room, whatever you might need. Those two bedrooms overlook the backyard. I'll take you in here to the third one. Again, like I said, they're good sized with good sized closets. Carpet's in excellent condition. All the windows, like I was saying earlier, are vinyl, so they're all in excellent condition. You don't have any leaking. You don't have any, they're all energy efficient, so you don't have the expense when you purchase a home of having to worry about changing things out. Going down to the lower level here, it's a huge family room with wood flooring, so you could do a lot of different things down here. I've seen people turn this into a home bar. You can do a home theater. You can make it an exercise room. You can make it a hangout for the kids, whatever. It's got the tongue and groove cedar ceilings and cove molding. It's in excellent condition, and that right there is really interesting because it looks like a shelf, but you can actually open it. It's a little heavy, but you can open this and it's a secret room. So you can store valuables, anything you want in here, and that thing closes and no one will ever know that it's here. So that's a really cool feature, and so many people always have wanted a secret room. Well, there you go. So along with this family room, to the left here is all of the mechanicals, which is the only area that's unfinished in the lower level. As you can see, it's a walkout to the backyard, and off to the left is a 3/4 bathroom. This house is in excellent condition. It's neutral, it's well cared for, and it's very flexible with closing. So get out here and take a look at this home. You won't regret it. It's going to sell fast.